I just got the Ego LM2102SP, SP for self-propelled, 21-inch cordless lawnmower. It has 5.9 foot-pounds of torque, a 7.5 amp battery that should last up to 60 minutes. Here's the other side of the box. It has a 5-year warranty. It weighs 93 pounds, and there's an Ego app you can download. Here's the other side of the box. The battery has a 3-year warranty. Comes with a 56-volt battery and the charger. Got push-button start, 3 handle heights, 6 adjustable heights for the deck. 3-in-1 function, it's mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Also says has ball bearing wheels and a cutting torque of 2,500 RPMs. Here's the other side of the box. Similar information on this side of the box. It's got a handle to help you lift up the box. All right, here's a look from the top of the box. It says power beyond belief. Has all the other Ego tools over here. Shows you the battery can go into all the tools. So then you have to buy one battery. So let's open it up. Cover's glued down there. Peel up the glue. Let's get the other flap up. It has a helpline if you need help with the lawnmower. All right, here's the lawnmower. This model was $549. I got it on sale from Lowe's for $512. All right, let's take the cardboard off of there. Here's the BA4200 battery. So let's take that out of there so we can start charging it. Let's take that out of the box. All right, there's a look at the back of the battery. You have your slots so you can slide it into your charger. There's the bottom of the battery. There's the top of the battery with the light up button. Okay, there's a look at the front of the battery. 7.5 amps, 56 volt Ego battery. Over here we have the charger for the battery. There's a side look at the charger. There's the other side of the charger. There's the bottom, has some feet. There's the back of the charger, has an area so you can hook it onto things. And there's the front of the charger. You just slide the battery into these slots, plug it in and start charging. Brought the battery charger into the house because it wants to stay at room temperature. You don't want to keep it hot or cold outside. Slide the battery in right there, line up the fins. The fan's running, keep that battery cool. You might want to put this in a spot where you won't hear it because it's a little loud and annoying. So it's going to cycle through red, orange, and green. Show you that it's charging. It's first time charging, so it's at 25% right now. We gotta wait until it's at 100%. So I'm just going to let that charge and take the rest of the lawnmower out of the box. Next out of the box, we have the grass bag frame. There's your hooks to hook on the back of your lawnmower. Take out the cardboard over here. Here's the side blowout on top. Take a look at that. Attach that later and try that out. Here's your grass bag. It says Ego self-propelled on the side. Same thing on the other side. Has a hard bottom. The rest of it is soft. There's the top view. There's a look from the back. Has a handle on the back. And there's a look from the inside. All right, let's take the bag off the lawnmower so we can get it out of the box. It's just sitting on top there. You have your instruction booklets to the right of the wheel here. And check those out. I'm just going to pull this lever, bring the handles up. So there's the lawnmower. I'm going to take this cardboard piece off. Then they have a handle here and here you can grab. Pull the lawnmower out of the box. So I'm going to grab those. Alright, we got the lawnmower out of the box. Nothing else in the box there, let's move that to the side. Okay, first up, let's slide our grass bag frame into the grass bag. And start hooking these plastic pieces on. Hook that top piece, hook the side piece there, hook that other side piece on there. Straighten out the bag a bit. Hook our left side on here. Hook the right side on over here. Then hook the bottom on there. That's pretty much it for getting the bag ready. Quick and easy. There's a look at the side of the bag once the frame's in there. All right, let's go back to the lawnmower. There's a top view look of the lawnmower. It's got this big tag on it. Gonna rip that off of there. Peel that off. That's just glue holding that on there. Cut it off with scissors, whatever you want to do. All right, let's zoom down on the lawnmower. You got your battery spot here. You put your battery in there once that's fully charged. Front says self-propelled. In the back of the mower has the mulcher pre-installed. So I'm going to take that out of there. There's your mulcher piece. Has a handle to pull it out. In the manual booklet, we got our warranty paper, an advertisement to expand our collection of tools. We have the battery manual, the charger manual, and the manual for the lawnmower itself. We can adjust our deck here with the handle. The first height, number 1, is 1.5 inches. Number 2 is 2 inches. Number 3 is 2.5 inches. 4 is 3 inches. 5 is 3.5 inches. And 6 is 4 inches. Over here we have our quick adjust lever. Right now we're in the lock storage position. Now it's in the grass bag attachment and removal position. Now it's in the upper operating position, the middle operating position, and the lower operating position. Now we have our handle in position. Let's put the bag on there. Take your hooks and hook it on like so. Now we just need to wait for the battery to charge and we can start this up. I have this inside because you want to try to keep the battery between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. And a safety tip, keep the battery away from fire, as temperatures above 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius will lead to the battery exploding. Alright, let's put it in the lawnmower. As you can see, all 4 lights are solid on the charger, and the fan has stopped blowing. So let's take the battery out of the charger. Put the battery in the lawnmower. Let's line up the fins on the back there. Open this up, line up with the fins inside, and just slide the battery right in there. You'll hear the button click once it's locked in there. Press the button down, it'll eject it, and you can take it out later. Let's put it back in and get it started. To get it started, let's undo these clamps. Pull the handle out. Lock back in the clamps. Hit the safety switch and the bail switch. Release to let it turn off. And hit the self-propel trigger here to make it go forward. Adjust your speed over here on the left. Make it go faster. You can use the self-propel with or without the mower going. Hit the lever to make it go. Release it, makes it stop. It's also got our headlight button on the back here. Turn our headlights. Just in case you're trying to mow during the evening. Alright, let's take this outside and try it out. Also, you have your battery indicator on the back of the battery. Tell you how much charge you have. That's going to turn on when you have the mower on or you have the lights on. I'm going to turn the lights off. Indicator goes off. Side discharge clogging up a bit.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.